In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add list item to Webflow. First, open your project in Webflow and head into the designer so you're looking at the canvas. If you're following along with on-screen prompts, simply click the highlighted areas as they appear. Those highlights are there to guide you to the exact panels and elements you need. Start by opening the Add panel on the left. In that panel, find the basic category and click it to reveal the core elements. If it looks collapsed or inactive, click it again to make sure it's expanded and in focus. Within Basic, look for the List element. With the section or container on your page selected, watch for the highlight on the target area. Click to insert the list. Clicking instead of dragging places the element right inside the currently selected wrapper, which keeps your layout tidy and prevents nesting issues. Once the list is on the canvas, you'll see default list items. Click the highlighted list item to select it, then click inside the text to edit. Replace the placeholder copy with your own content. Repeat this click to edit flow for any other items you want to update. If you need another list item, use the on-screen control near the list. Again, follow the highlight to add a new one at the end. This keeps your structure consistent and avoids breaking your class styling. As you work, keep an eye on where the blue outline appears. That highlight tells you exactly which element you're targeting, whether it's the overall list, a specific list item, or the text inside it. If something doesn't seem to respond, click the highlighted parent element first, then drill down to the child element with another click. This is the quickest way to avoid accidental edits to the wrong layer. You can refine the look at any time. Select the highlighted list or an individual list item and adjust typography, spacing, and alignment in the Style panel on the right. If you prefer numbers instead of bullets, switch the list type, unordered for bullets, ordered for numbers, so it matches your design system. Small spacing tweaks on the list wrapper often make the biggest visual difference. When your updates look good on the canvas, you're ready to go live. Click Publish in the top right corner, choose your target domain, and confirm. After a moment, you'll see a success indicator. Open the published site and check your page to make sure the new list item appears exactly